Rum pum pum. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to PitaChew. Right, you guys. Today we're having some. What's it called? Not the Beyond Burger, but the Impossible Burgers. Check that out. We got some pico. We got some cheese. We have some avocado sitting on a bed of veggies. This is from the pre-packed vegetable mix. The salad mix, you guys, right there. Check that out. Love using them because they have all sorts of kind of greens in it. We also have some pizza burrito. Oh yeah, but first. No, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. And yes, you guys, it is still snowing over here in the Pacific Northwest. So this is the second day that's been snowing. It looks like it's gonna be snowing for 3 more extra days, according to the weatherman, Mr. Weatherman. And then it's saying it's gonna rain, but you know that can change in a flash. What is going on with this bottle cap? All right. I am a little parched though. What's the straw? Where is the straw? Be right back. All right. Did you miss me? What is going on with my hair, y'all? We're gonna dress these up. Okay? We're gonna add some fire sauce because we need some heat in our lives. Let's melt this snow away. Not too much, you guys. This is my dinner. Well, it's not my dinner. It's my brunch. Oh, check this out, you guys. Look what I found. Booyah! Some Parmesan cheese. Found this at Whole Foods. I haven't seen them in any other store besides the Whole Foods. Yep, Parmesan cheese. Okay, here we go. Ooh, yeah. Okay, here we go, yeah. This is the pizza flavor, what's it called? The Epic Burrito? The Epic something like that. Wow. That is good. So good, we're gonna put it in our burger. So good. So good. I'm gonna slow down before I choke. You know what? Yeah, let's have a burger. Oh my goodness, I know this is gonna be amazing. Ooh. Check that out. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. You guys, I think I've been sleeping on this Impossible Burgers patty. That is crazy. It is so good. Mmm. I don't know. Looks like we have a winner. Because you guys know for the longest, my favorite alternative patties was, and still is, the Beyond Burger, Beyond Meat, Ultimate. Was it Impossible and Beyond? Yeah, it was Beyond Meat. Wow. That is one tasty burger. Whew. I air fried these burritos. So you guys, I think we're gonna have to cancel our Sunday walk. Our Sunday walk is tomorrow, so I think I might have to throw in a towel. Sit up straight. Whew. Ooh, excuse me. Excuse me. So you guys, yesterday before I lay down, yesterday morning, okay, get it right. Yesterday morning, I sprinkled some salt. Is that what's called? Salt? Melting the ice? Snow salt? You know what I mean? The salt you throw on the ground and it melts the ice. Anyways, I have a big driveway, you guys. I laid it. And this morning, the snow covered it up. It did kind of melt, but you can barely see the driveway. Anyhow, there goes $200 down the drain. I'm gonna have to buy some more Impossible Burger. Very unique taste. Go ahead, take a bite. Ooh. Just a little bit. Just a little. Whew. Okay, I'm done. All right. That is it. Boom. All right, you guys, I want to thank you guys so much for having brunch with me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. If you're new to my channel, you like my content, subscribe. If you haven't already done so, click on the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Till next time, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ofatu, you can go. This reminds me of Roger. Slap you in the back of your neck. All right, you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.